In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A22, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on this device. So at first you need to open the camera app, and then as you can see in the middle of the screen you've got timer icon. So all you need to do is to tap on it, and now select 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 5 seconds delay, and here 5 seconds, and now if you'll grab a picture, it will be delayed a bit. As you can see, here is the countdown, and afterwards the picture is taken and you can smoothly find it in your gallery. Here it is. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can activate camera timer. Obviously you can pick 2 or 10 seconds instead of 5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.